You must be thinking life could even be more easier if robots work for you. You almost know what a robot is. A robot is a machine, especially one programmable by a computer, capable of carrying out a complex series of actions automatically. Robots can be guided by an external controlling device or the control may be embedded within. Robots may be constructed on the lines of human form, but most robots are designed to perform some sort of specific task with no regards to their looks, aesthetics, or interactions with you. Now, guys, you must have heard about robotic vehicles, robotic toys, and even humanoid robot like Sophia. But have you guys ever wondered about robotic dogs? If not, then this video is all for you. Make sure to watch till the end to know about robotic dogs and give it a thumbs up. Let's begin with knowing what robotic dogs actually mean. Robotic dogs are robots designed to resemble dogs in appearance and behavior, usually incorporating canine characteristics such as barking or tail wagging. Robotic dogs are doing very well all around the globe. You can take up a robot dog for many purposes. Robot dogs presently are generally used for military purpose. The robotic dogs have been manufactured by Ghost Robotics, a company based in Philadelphia, and are called Vision 60 UGVs, or Autonomous Unmanned Ground Vehicles. The dogs can be controlled remotely and provide visuals of the area before soldiers are deployed in the same field. They have been designed to scale heights and various surfaces and terrains. It touts their ability to operate in any terrain or environment while being adaptable to carrying an array of sensors and radios on, for a dog robot, a fairly simple platform. A robotic pet is an artificially intelligent machine made in the image of an animal commonly kept as a pet. We will now know how useful a robotic dog as pet is. You should know that man's best friend isn't a dog. It's a dog-like robot designed to perform tricks and tug at your heartstrings. Robotic dogs are indeed very clever. These cute little robot dogs are very virtuous as pets. A robot dog responds to your commands and thereby allows you to feel a real experience of having a puppy. As it is a robot, you won't have to deal with its feeding or messes. They have been designed to interact with people and build an emotional connection with its owners and actually uses a form of social intelligence to communicate and learn just like people. The robot dogs are very expressive and can communicate using a variety of facial movements and its arms to almost make you believe it is real. They can surely keep your house safe and secure, and you can go anywhere without any fear of being bankrupted. Robotic dog pets also keep elderly people from being depressed and also keep them active. In New Zealand, a study was conducted on aged people to show the impact of robotic pets on their mental well-being and standards of living. Boston Dynamics has created a highly sensational robotic dog, Spot. The video on the screen shows off Spot's capabilities. For instance, it can run at 1.6 meters per second, about 5.2 feet per second, has 360-degree cameras that give it a full range of vision, is dust and waterproof, and can operate in temperatures ranging from -20 to 45 degrees Celsius, that is -4 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. You can also find robot dogs on online stores like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. and use it as a toy or even to guard your house or just keep one as a companion. Toy robot dogs cost little cheaper, starting from $55. But the Boston dog, which is out for sale, can cost you $75,000 US. Quite high for a toy, surely. That's it for today's video. Would you guys prefer robot dogs as pets, or rather buy a living dog pet for yourself? I think you are now confused. Both robot dogs and living dogs have their own advantages and functions. I know choosing would be a tough one. By the way, I will vote for a robot dog. What about you guys? Comment below and put your suggestions too in the comment box.